Good afternoon. We've just concluded our extraordinary 3 days here in Asheville, North Carolina at Momentum 25. But before we headed back to Georgia, we wanted to take a few minutes to come out and tour and try to give back one last time to Black Mountain Home. We had the privilege of having Annalise yesterday with her team coordinate over 40 of our forever agents to come out, and Annalise is going to tell us just a little bit about what they did to make a difference. And thank you for this opportunity.
Yes, of course. Hi, I'm Annalisa. I work here at the Black Mountain Home for Children. Yesterday was awesome having this team come out. Over here is our beautiful RV park behind us. We had 10 to 12 people down there. They were mulching and they were weed whacking and they were pulling up weeds and they were just doing the nitty gritty that just helps us beautify our campus so that we get more people to just be able to come and see what we're doing and seeing how we take care of our children. And then as we concluded our tour, we went down to our Shepherd of the Hills Retreat Center, and that's what I have the privilege of running at this time. And you go over there and one side looks like it's a summer camp and the other side looks like you came to a ravine and you're here on a hike. And we actually had a debris slide that ended up being 4 miles long and the size of a football field wide. And it took out about 10 of our buildings, 4 of them completely. And we're working tirelessly and effortlessly to rebuild and to regain the strength to open our retreat center back up. And we can't do that without our volunteers. And so our volunteers did a great job yesterday helping beautify our campus for our kids.
The devastation was just serene, standing there looking to see what actually happened, in this area. And we were so happy to give back and have a team giving back to you. And you can still give back. We have an opportunity. We're going to list below this video things that you can do to give back to this particular organization, and we want to be there and support them.
We are just honored and thrilled with our new incredible partner moving forward always.
Thank you.
Thank
you all.
Appreciate it.
I'm glad you were all safe.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, all of our kids were safe.